Come test drive the 2021 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $85,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.